Folks. Again, we're still doing exercise number 3. We're displaying the triangle there. Okay. Unlike before, I'll display the triangle in one line. And in case you think you do know how can I go about doing that, please pause the video, leave it down in the comments, and then resume the video. So here's the deal. The trick is to remember how does the separator work. Three. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, what I will use for my separator is something that wasn't covered on chapter 1 on this textbook I'm using. However, I know that it's something that is also acceptable. Okay. Oh gosh, let me put a B there. Okay, you see, this is a special character \n. It simply says go to the next line, period. Nothing more, nothing less. So let's see what are we going to get. You're getting the exact results we want. There are other special characters as well. For instance, that one right there, \c, is nothing else but your tab spacing. Okay, in case you wanna leave 4 spaces, which is a tab, you can simply go \c. Okay, you guys, for now I'm gone. Thanks God these videos are pretty short, so you've got no reason to get annoyed. Okay, see you guys on the next solution. I'm gone.